Now, surfing the internet anonymously or protecting your IP address on the internet is actually quite easy. All you need to do is start your browser, of course, and let's assume that your favorite website that you wish to visit happens to be google.com. So let me actually now connect to google.com. So I type in google.com, press enter, and within a few seconds, as you can clearly see, google.com is now being displayed on my screen, which is very simple and very straightforward. However, if you look carefully, what do you see? If you look on the right hand side top corner, you'll actually see my email address has been displayed in this page. In other words, Google knows who I am, Google knows my identity, and Google knows a lot of other private information about my searching behavior, the kind of websites I visit, the kind of files I access, and so on. So what if I wanted to connect to google.com anonymously? What if I want to connect to google.com in such a manner that my IP address always remains protected? Now, all I need to do in such a case is, instead of directly connecting to google.com, I need to first connect to a website called www.anonymizer.com. www.anonymizer.com. As you can clearly see on the screen, anonymizer.com has now been displayed on the screen, and it says trusted, proven, secure, total peace of mind, safeguard your identity, and so on. So once you've connected to anonymizer.com, all you now need to, in order to visit your favorite website on the internet, is scroll down and simply click on the download button. And as soon as you click on download, you will be able to download plugin or an application from anonymizer.com onto your computer, using which you will then be able to access your favorite website, your favorite content on the internet anonymously, safely, and securely. As simple as that. However, there's a small catch. And the catch is, if you continue using anonymizer.com, sooner or later there's going to be a small problem. You're going to see a small error message being displayed on the screen, and that error message will ask you to enter your credit card information. And I'm very sure that all of us attending this course rather give out our IP address than a credit card number on this website. And I'm not even asking you to enter your credit card details. I'm not even asking you to make any sort of payment to this website, anonymizer.com. All you need to do instead is start your browser and simply connect to the Russian equivalent of the same website, which is www.anonymizer.ru. And as you can clearly see on the screen, the Russian version of this website has now been displayed. And there are a lot of practical advantages of using Russian websites. First of all, most of the Russian websites are free, so there are no credit cards and no payments involved. However, more importantly, most of the Russian websites have been set up by computer criminals. So only a computer criminal will understand another criminal's needs. So it's perfect for most of us. And most importantly, none of the Russian websites actually maintain any records or log files. So technically speaking, you could actually connect to anonymizer.ru, hide behind it, and then use it to break into absolutely any website on the internet. And trust me, there's absolutely no way in which you can get caught. So once anonymizer.ru has been loaded on the screen, all you need to do is, in this space provided, you need to enter the website address that you wish to visit anonymously. So I'm going to type in google.com, and once you have typed in google.com, then you need to click on whatever looks like the go button. You don't need to know Russian for this. And within a few seconds, anonymizer.ru will connect to google.com, fetch the web page, and display it on your screen. Google thinks that anonymizer.ru connected to it, but in reality it is you who's using anonymizer.ru to connect to google.com. So you're able to access, as you can see on the screen, your favorite website, your favorite content, but at the same time your identity remains protected. And if you look carefully on the screen, on the right hand side top corner, my email address has not been displayed in the output. As a result, I know for sure that my identity is being protected. And if you look really carefully, what do you see? Everything has been displayed in Russian. So this clearly shows that this thing actually works. Because what happened here was, since you use anonymizer.ru to connect to google.com, since anonymizer.ru is a Russian website, Google thinks that you are in Russia. And Google, since it thinks that you are in Russia, will automatically redirect you to the Russian version of Google. And as a result, the Russian version of Google has been displayed on the screen. So now all you need to do is click on the google.com in English, and chances are you should be able to access the English version of Google as well. So what I just showed you on the screen, anonymizer.ru and anonymizer.com are great examples of web-based proxy servers which actually allow you to surf the internet anonymously, securely, and safely. There are a lot of practical advantages associated with using a web-based internet proxy server.